model, 2014 Volkswagen Caravelle 2.0 BiTDi BlueMotion DSG automatic 9-seater minibus needs turbo top spec bargain. Body, black, minibus. Mileage, 109,276. MOT, the 23rd of December 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180 PSD. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo oil seals have filed and will need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys, start-stop, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £18,350. Click the link